everyone, hope everybody are doing good. We're gonna do another cookie today and it's gonna be Amaretti. So let's get started. This recipe you'll be needing 3 egg whites. You will be needing 3 cups of ground almond. You'll be needing 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. I reduced the sugar because it requires like 1.5 cups of sugar. So I reduced it to 3/4 sugar because I don't want it very sweet. And then you'll be needing 2 tablespoons of almond extract and also vanilla. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla, that would be great. So let's just beat the egg first at the high speed. Consistency of the egg. I think that's good enough. So now we're gonna mix the sugar with the almond flour, and then we'll incorporate that with the egg. So yeah, you can see here. Sorry, let me just move that. So I think it mixed properly. So now we'll mix it to the egg. It's very easy. You can even dump them all together. This is one of the easy cookies to do. Aside from the pecan snowball, this is very easy to do as well. So we can add the vanilla, or you can add the vanilla with the egg. That's okay too. But no, I'm just gonna add it here. That's okay. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's fine as well. And then the almond extract. I got it here from the grocery. So this is what I'm gonna use. Yeah. Maybe I use the pure one. I have another one here with the pure extract. Okay, let's do the pure almond extract. So we'll be needing 2 tablespoons of these. That's done. Mix it. Wow, you can smell it. Then you can start preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we'll just roll this and make our cookie. I think I used 2 different ground almond on this. One I bought in bulk barn, and the other one I bought at the superstore. So the color are totally different. But anyway, I think it should be okay. Just the same almond anyway. So you can see, this is how it looks like. So that's your butter, your cookie look like. And we'll start rolling it. So yeah, just preheat your oven to 350 and we'll start rolling it in the icing sugar and the pine sugar as well. That's why I didn't put a lot of sugar, because I'm gonna roll it in pine sugar. Alright, now that like the scoop. So I'm gonna scoop it and roll it. Start rolling. See? Like another meatballs. And first roll it to the pine sugar, and then throw it there at the icing sugar. Very easy. Is it easy? So when you put this at your baking sheet, make sure you put a little bit of space. I'm gonna put some almond, the real almond, on the top. So I'm gonna put that on the top. See all of these? Here it is. So we're ready to put it in the oven. We shove it to the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. So keep an eye on the 12 minutes and check it out, okay? And I will show you after it's done and we'll taste it. So here it is. It's already been baked. So we're gonna cool it and put it in a cooling tray first. And we'll try it afterwards. Okay. Oh my god, here it is, guys. It's crunchy outside and it's chewy inside. It's really yum and it's not really very sweet. I hope you can try this recipe. It's so delicious. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. God bless everybody. Goodbye for now.